What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com with Knox. Hey, Knox. Knox. Nope. With Knox. There he goes. And we are here with a 2016 Kawasaki Vulcan S, guys. These bikes never last long, and this bike is crazy clean. It only has like 200 some miles on it. We got it in from a Harley dealer. Obviously, tires are like brand new. This bike is just so good looking. I love the black with the decals. Such a good looking bike. This bike is not going to last long at all. And it's in absolutely phenomenal shape. I'm going to find a flaw on this bike. Bar ends, lever ends, mirrors, everything's good. It's got these big old passenger lights, which I kind of like, and it's got a bullet fairing. It looks super cool. Look at that. It just looks so good. It's got the black bar, front fender's in great shape. It does have ABS. I mean, this thing is like loaded. I don't understand why you would load your bike up like this and then trade it in. I mean, this bike is just ready to kick some serious butt. So these back sliders, they are a little scraped up. So that is a flaw. A little scraped up. But this side looks amazing. Nothing really on the lever end or the bar end. What do you think, Knox? Nothing? No? Oh, looks really good. Okay, there's a flaw. We've got some scuffs right there. As you can see that. You see that? That's your flaw. Scuffs right there. And then a little bit of some scuffs right there. I don't know if he's like slid it against, like scraped it against something. Seat's in great shape. Let's fire this beast up. It has 282 miles on it. Whoop. Battery might be a tiny bit weak. Whoop. Here we go. There's your battery's a tiny bit weak. Alright, here we go. One more time. Battery is just a tiny bit weak. It's freezing here. It makes perfect sense. We just brought it back on the trailer yesterday.
Yeah, I'll fix that with the test drive.
Fix that with the test drive?
And we'll race every bike we have in the shop with this thing.
This is 200 some miles on it.
Yeah.
And this is a sweet color. Like, have we had one this color before?
No.
Like the black with the green accents and then the green like shock right there?
Yeah, no, it's a great bike. They all have the green shock though. That's pretty normal, I think.
We're 650 experts.
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you think, Sean?
Love it.
It's a great looking bike, guys. Like I said, 2016 Kawasaki Vulcan S with ABS. And is it detachable?
Yeah, looks like it.
It's got the... I didn't really experiment too hard.
Oh, there's a key you put in there to...
undo it and then pop it open.
So people don't steal it.
I don't know if it's that key. No, way too big. Oh, you know what? It's on here.
Oh, okay.
There's the key.
Yeah, whatever.
Sweet, guys. Check out the test drive video. I'm sure Sean's going to be test driving it. Check out the test drive video. Let me know if it's something you're interested in. This bike, I'm giving it 24 hours to last because these things never, ever last.
Bam!
Bam! Have a good one, guys.